Listen, you're not stuck because life is hard. You're stuck because your brain has been trained to avoid the thing that builds you. Every scroll, every skipped session, every "I'll start Monday," that's not laziness, that's a conditioned reward loop, and it's running your life without your permission. Here's the truth. Your brain doesn't want discipline, it wants comfort. And if you keep feeding it easy dopamine, it will never tolerate the discomfort that growth requires. Neural adaptation works both ways. Train for ease, and hard things feel impossible. That's not a motivational problem, that's a biological one. So no more excuses dressed up as explanations. Here's the system. 1. Starve the loop. Your phone is not a tool right now. It's a conditioning device. Every morning scroll reprograms your baseline. You start the day chasing stimulation instead of building something. Delete your 3 highest distraction apps today. No phone for the first 60 minutes after waking. One 30-minute window for content, nothing more. You don't need more willpower. You need fewer entry points. A man who controls his inputs controls his outputs. 2. Collapse your focus to one target. Cognitive load is real. The more you chase, the less your brain can execute on any of it. Most men fail not because they lack ambition, because they spread it across 10 directions and go nowhere. Pick one goal for the next 90 days. Income, physique, skill. Write it on paper. Track one metric only. Every day, that number either moves or it doesn't. No exceptions, no pivots. Chase everything, master nothing.
3. Set a morning standard you don't negotiate. Behavioral momentum is the science behind why your mornings predict your days. An early win creates psychological forward motion. It's not complicated, it's sequential. Wake at the same time daily. Move within 10 minutes of rising. No content before output. Produce first. Consume after. If your morning owns you, your day does too. Win the first hour or spend the rest of it recovering. 4. Make your execution visible. You overestimate your effort and underestimate your drift. Public commitment triggers consistency bias. You protect the identity you've announced. Use a wall calendar. Mark every executed day. Miss 2 in a row? Add an extra hour of work that week. Review every Sunday without exception. What isn't measured is imaginary. Feelings aren't data. Proof is. 5. Stop performing discipline. Start becoming it. Here's where most men stay stuck. They change their actions, but not their self-concept. Identity-based habits outlast outcome-based goals every time. Stop saying you're trying. Start saying you're becoming. Remove environments that reinforce who you used to be. Ask once every day, what would a disciplined man do right now? Then execute without negotiation. This isn't about productivity. This isn't about hacks or routines or morning rituals. This is about deciding who you are and refusing to act against it. Wasted years don't happen to disciplined men. They happen to men who kept waiting to feel ready. You already know what to do. Now you have no reason not to. Comment, "I execute" if you're done negotiating with yourself. Subscribe, because this is where discipline is built, not performed.